morning, everyone. Excellency for all the judges, honorable ladies and gentlemen. Dear happy brothers and sisters, first of all, let's all express our gratitude toward the Almighty who has given us mercies and blessings. So, we all can be here in good condition and health. Secondly, thank you very much for the chance which is given for me to stand up here and deliver my speech. It is an honor to speak in front of all of you today. Ladies and gentlemen, previously, let me introduce myself. My name is Angelina Pasaribu, and I'm Argo Singo, adik golongan SMA Negeri Song Malang or SMA Negeri 9 Malang. Some people say it is a thousand of residential school with its tidiness and beauty. Well, in this special moment, I would like to deliver my speech under the title, How to Use the Gadget Wisely in Pandemic of COVID-19. Ladies and gentlemen, as you all know, we began doing online classes after pandemic of COVID-19 is all past. I'm not talking about just our city or country. The situation happened all around the world. In Indonesia, as the government told us, the educational prime minister, Mas Menteri Nadiem Makarim, decide that where students have must learn from home as long as a pandemic of COVID-19. Of course, all the principals and teachers were very busy with this preparation in order to be fluent in teaching learning process in the new life. On the other hand, a student having mobiles nowadays is something needed even very important to access internet for learning process. The new life began. The teaching learning process, which is named distant learning or daring dalam jaringan, is the main important to access to reach the goal stated and law on national education in 2003. Ladies and gentlemen, many people run in the new life by gadget, even the kindergarten student to the universities once. Since today's mobiles are very important in daily activities. There are so many advantages by having gadget, especially mobile in our life. For example, finding some information very quickly, as a communication tools like social media, WhatsApp, and so on. We all know that the gadget is so attractive and pleasant, isn't it? But we have to remember, besides having a thousand of advantages, it also has some disadvantages if don't use the gadget wisely. Let me mention an example. There are so many students wasting their time to play some games and play on social media all day long, but forget their duty as student. This condition could create someone's personality to be a lazy person and so wasteful. By playing games and social media thoroughly and uncontrollable, it will spend a lot of money and credit for internet access. On the other side, as students, we are so lucky. Nowadays, the government spreads some credit for some gigabyte to the whole and students very fit given once in 3 or 6 months. By using this credit, the government expects that the student use access the internet for learning process wisely, fluently, and well. If we don't use it in the right way, it will be useless. Ladies and gentlemen, from the explanation above, we may use the gadget by doing several things as follows. First, save the credit or packet data. Second, avoid playing games all day long. Third, limit to access YouTube. Fourth, use the mobile in the certain time. Fifth, and do another activities like reading some book to decrease in using the mobiles. Well, for all the judges, that's all my speech. I do hope what I have delivered will be in our life. As a human being, I realize that I can avoid the mistake. Finally, I apologize for every single mistake in delivering my speech. The last, thank you very much. Bye-bye.